We're here today to talk about one of Jacoby Tire Box's hygienic pocket demos, specifically for the GRQ clamp. When talking to your customer, first take it out and immediately disengage the clamp. You want to show what the clamp unique properties are. The best way to do that is have it open in front of the customer. You're going to show them the block A profile and how far that profile allows you to go up outside of the ferrule. You're talking about the gauging point on the ferrule. This allows us to load the gasket evenly, very high, as opposed to pinch it inward, causing the gasket to extrude more easily. Once you close the clamp around, you'll see that the contact is more than 340 degrees all the way around. You have to extend that swing bolt nice and far because the elongated edge of the arm then extends out, making it more difficult for that to come off if it were to loosen in vibrating service or thermal cycling. The boss on the nut also engages the recess on the clamp to ensure you've got perfect alignment. The flat surfaces allow that load to be transferred most efficiently to, again, engage those clamps, not causing any pinch point. The double pin hinge acts as a third member of the assembly so that you get solid alignment when you have potentially eccentric or angled piping systems. It will help pull you back into line. The ergonomic nut then makes it easy to crank it down to get proper loading to ensure that you have a good seal long before you have any gasket extrusion on the inside of the tubing.